आप डिस्काउंट देते हो?
Don't have panic attack. Be positive. Don't be sad.
सुबह जल्दी उठा करो,
फोन मत चलाया करो.
रो मत, सांस लो. अरे सांस ही तो नहीं आ रही है.
No therapist, stand-up comedian. Yeah.
I will.
I think we
I'm
have
in.
so much material.
Do you think that I will be okay? I used to see the client, used to run in the bathroom because I was here. कि मेरे को पता है मेरे को एपिसोड आ रहा है. I'm running in the bathroom having an episode. यहाँ कट जाए तो हल्दी लगानी है, लेकिन यहाँ कुछ हो तो मैं नहीं पता है, which is.
Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another episode of Desi Dialogues by your very own Desi psychologist Tara and Chetna, where we talk about the most raw, unfiltered and beautiful conversations around mental health, therapy and pop culture in India. And for this episode, we have our very special guests. We have Anandita and Shivani here with us. And it'll be great if you guys just can introduce yourselves.
So I'm Anandita Iblagan. I'm a counseling psychologist and I'm a trainer with various organizations. I've been working 10 years in the field now. I see clients here in New Delhi offline and I work online with my clients as well all over India and globally as well. And it's been really fun being a mental health professional, definitely, and a great learning experience and a journey myself. So, yeah.
I'm Shivani Agarwal. I am the founder of Center for Self-Discovery, which is a therapy center that works in multiple languages with culturally fluid people across the world. We are based in Canada and in India. I am myself known as a counseling psychologist in India and registered clinical counselor in Canada. So I personally also work with clients. I've been doing this for 5 years and evolving along with the practice itself.
So, to begin with, what do you think are the apprehensions a client has before they start seeking therapy, or in the first session they maybe talk about it?
So I think if I speak out of various clients have various different apprehensions, and at different ages, the apprehensions can be very different. So if I talk about, say, teenagers or school students who are coming into therapy, their apprehension is, मम्मी पापा को तो नहीं बता देंगे, right? Because वो minor है, तो parent ही ला रहा है उन्हें therapy में, right? क्योंकि parent pay कर रहा है, so mostly the point of contact is the parent. तो मोस्टली उनका ये होता है मम्मी पापा को तो नहीं बता देंगे. सो कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट डायलेमास आई थिंक दैट द क्लाइंट्स कम अप विद, क्योंकि बहुत सारी ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं जिसके बारे में वो बात करना चाह रहे हैं, राइट? ऑल्सो आई थिंक especially if they're going to talk about sexual issues, they're going to talk about their sexual identity, they're going to talk about, say, they're taking any kind of drugs or substances. So they want to be out with it, they want a safe space for that, and since they've never got it, it's very valid that they feel कि हुआ ही नहीं ना कभी, तो कैसे कि exactly. और हमेशा ही वो जैसे मम्मी को बताया बच्चे ने, राइट? तो मम्मी ने फटाफट ने किसी को नहीं बताऊंगी पर पापा को बता दिया, तो वो अडल्ट से या टीचर को बताया तो टीचर ने मम्मी को फोन कर दिया, या सैडली स्कूल काउंसलर ने भी कभी कभी मम्मी को फोन कर दिया. वो बिट्रेयल फ्रॉम अडल्ट इतनी आदत हो गई होती है दैट व्हेन यू सी अनदर अडल्ट, सो इट्स वेरी हार्ड फॉर देम टू लाइक trust that. So one is that. Then for adults or like people above 20 or 25 who are coming into therapy, then their apprehension is, am I really helpable? So is this something that's really helpable? And one of the biggest that I can really talk about is this even worth therapy? Right? एक वो जो है ना, इसमें क्या बात होगी, इसमें क्या, so we've grown up, भाई स्ट्रॉन्ग बनो, इसमें क्या बात होगी. तो वो डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग इतनी टाइट और इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गई है कि हमें लगता है कि ये तो वर्थ थेरेपी ही नहीं है, ये तो वर्थ थेरेपी नहीं है, जिसकी वजह से हम इतना डिले करते हैं. So a lot of clients come and be like, on a discovery call also, they'll be like, and I think you can relate as well, कि मतलब, do you think I need help? And now I'm like, yes, everyone does, even I go. So I think these are some of the dilemmas, and to conclude like it, I think finances.
Yeah, I was gonna add that, that mainly, I mean, definitely money, because it's the same attitude. It's like, based on your financial situation, if like first you're going to look for survival, you're going to get your food, shelter. फिर उसके बाद इंसान सोचता है कि मैं अब पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट के लिए क्या करूं,
I remember recently, I told Tara about it. I was looking for therapist for myself. I had like a discovery call with 10 different therapists with different, let's say, background, years of experiences. And that discovery call made me realize a lot of things as a client as well as a therapist, that, okay, as a therapist, these are things that I should talk about or tell my clients, and giving that reassurance, that confidentiality, again, as Anandita mentioned, should be there. But as a client also, it just things that I was also hesitant about, the therapist actually cleared it out for me. So I think discovery call is a great option for anyone who wants to at least take that step.
I think with practice now and with seeing so many people, I also realize I need to keep that discovery call. So even I keep like a brief 20-minute telephonic phone call or a 25-30-minute call where we, talk about it. But even I've realized during therapy also that hesitation has to be addressed. That fear has to be addressed. It's not that one, you'll agree, कि वो 20 मिनट के बाद भी ना constant reassurance और reassurance में ना, I think सबसे बड़ी चीज जो मुझे समझ आई है, I'd never portray myself, and I think no psychologist or a therapist should portray themselves as मैं आपकी help कर दूंगी. मैं आपकी help नहीं कर सकती. I'm a coach, right? I'm not a medicine. I'm the person providing you the solution. The solution will help you or not. We have to see that. So it is a two-way journey. So I think setting realistic expectations in a very safe environment and explaining कि therapy होती क्या है. I think I start therapy by कि आपको क्या लगता है कि therapy में क्या होगा, right? क्योंकि वहीं से डर आता है. फिर कि अच्छा therapy actually पता है ये होती है और हम ऐसा करेंगे, and then इसके बीच में ये सब flexible है, ये fluid है, and you are absolutely free to tell me if you're not okay, and you're absolutely free to tell me this is not matching, can I like shift to someone. So I have to also tell them that it is fine if they want to see someone else if this doesn't fit after like a couple of, so they know they're not stuck into this, their money is not stuck into this. So building that faith and that security comes, I think, with practice. It also comes with if you are very sure and you've also not kept yourself at a pedestal कि मैं कर दूंगी आपकी help.
Yeah,
क्योंकि it's not true. You'll agree because then you've put yourself in another level of anxiety कि मैंने तो बोला था कि ये तो हो जाए, मतलब और मैं फिर सो नहीं रही रात को.
It's also unsaid pressure ना, that like as a therapist it is on us कि हमें उनकी मदद करनी ही है. So there are, I completely agree with what you say कि we have to clarify to them that we are just the means to the solution, we are not the solution. But again, it's a very important clarification because they see us as the, like you mentioned, the medicine.
Yeah,
they also think कि we'll fix them. This whole कि only my therapist can fix me.
True. Or that will even give a solution. There's no solution.
That I agree. I absolutely agree. And getting to what Tara also said, I think before telling the client, we'll also agree to that. अपने आप को भी थेरेपिस्ट को बैठ के बहुत जरूरी है बोलना कि मैं होलियर देन दाओ नहीं हूँ. ये मैं नहीं, ये क्या मतलब मैं यहाँ पे कौन सी उसके ऊपर पेडेस्टल पे बैठा दूं अपने आप को और फिर पूरी रात मैं एंजाइटी में सोऊं कि ओ बट आज वाले सेशन में तो क्लाइंट की हेल्प हुई नहीं. बिकॉज एंड दिस आई कैन सो मच रिलेट टू, बिकॉज जब आप बडिंग साइकोलॉजिस्ट होते हो when in the initial years of therapy, which you will agree, ऐसा ही लगता है, because of which in 2017 I started getting panic attacks at work. Because that is what I had put into my head. So when I started seeing a new coach and therapist, he told me, what is the problem? So I said कि अरे पर मतलब मेरे client ठीक होकर नहीं जा रहे. But he said, but you've taken too much on us. And this sense of arrogance has come into you.
कि ठीक नहीं कर पा रही
कि मैं therapist हूँ. तो
मैं तो करूँगी.
So then I also realized not to take it more than just being a professional skill and not making it my life and like I'm responsible for you. So I think communicating that is also important.
What I see.
I have a follow-up question. So how is the practice very different in Canada and in India? So can you just elaborate on that?
I would say at the core, it's pretty much the same, but yes, the practice is systemically different. Matlab, Canada, North America itself, I think because वहाँ पे regulation है at a clinical level, but also at a counseling level, वहाँ पर आपको पता है like clients को भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा knowledge है. वहाँ पे insurance आपकी therapy cover करती है, so cost barrier कई लोगों को नहीं होता है. वहाँ पर as a practitioner, the level of आपकी ethics training, the level of just practice in general, because you have that structure already set. तो उसके हिसाब से जब आप train करते हो, उसके हिसाब से जब आप practice, जब आप provide कर रहे हो, you also get a chance to, as a client, you'll see clients from all over the world. So you'll see that it's not just one type of mindset. There's a lot of different types of mindsets, but
There's
ultimately
different
it's the same.
perspectives.
Absolutely,
right?
yeah, and different cultural practices. So how do you? I think there's a lot of growth as a practitioner in that sense as well. In India, the biggest difference, the same thing I find is कि क्योंकि यहाँ पे regulation अभी है नहीं. I think we are heading towards that. मतलब ethically भी and in terms of the training standards and all of that, बहुत need है. I think wonderful practitioners are working here. बट बिकॉज वो स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है तो क्लाइंट्स को बहुत हेसिटेशन भी होती है इतनी, एंड इसीलिए इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज भी अभी कवर नहीं करती हैं. आई थिंक एक बार रेगुलेशन आएगा देन इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज कैन इवन कवर. तो कॉस्ट, ऑल दीज बैरियर्स गेट एडेड, बट लॉट ऑफ पीपल डू सीक थेरेपी, अ लॉट. एंड क्योंकि हम लोगों ने सेंटर फॉर सेल्फ डिस्कवरी इस साल इंडिया में भी खोला, वंस हमारी डिस्कवरी कॉल भी अलग होने लगी. लाइक the format we used to use there, ki we are answering their questions, this and that. In India, a lot of people will call, even though you've given them all the information, वो call करके, they'll think that 20-minute is therapy. Or so there's a little like hurdles we jump over and stuff like that. But yeah, I think the biggest difference is structure and having a system that protects you as a therapist and a client in countries where the field is more regulated, not just Canada, versus in India where it is upcoming but is not quite there yet. Yeah,
I think the minute you mentioned regulations, me and Tara were like,
yeah.
a lot to work on in India.
But that's very true also,
Yeah.
because while she was speaking, I was just going back in how I feel as a therapist. I feel that, yeah, anytime a client is like free to call me out on my conduct or whatever, even though I was fine. So where's my sense of security as a
Yeah,
therapist? And क्लाइंट भी इतना डरते क्यों हैं? क्योंकि उन्हें पता ही नहीं अकाउंटेबल बॉडी का है हमारी, राइट? आप मुझे मान लो, मैं हाइपोथेटिकली मैंने कुछ अनएथिकल कर दिया है, कौन पकड़ेगा मुझे आके?
Exactly.
क्या करेंगे? मुझ पे केस करेंगे, स्टूडेंट्स केस कर देंगे मुझ पे, क्या करेंगे?
Max people are doing is calling out each other on LinkedIn,
on social media,
which is also, I mean, to an extent is right, but at least have like a word in person
and
before
then
calling
LinkedIn पे
someone
भी
out.
करके there's no consequences to it, na, like
Yesterday only I wanted to share this experience. I was sleeping and I was continuously getting this call from a client or from a potential client, and behind that phone was a guy who was like asking again and again, and I was telling and explaining that this is the therapy process, this is the form you have to fill, like basic protocol that we follow at TDP. And the person was like, okay, I'll fill it, but I need it right now. The thing is, I could have that discovery call, but I was so disoriented in my sleep that I could not understand. So the max I could do at my capacity as a therapist was tell him that this is the process, and what I can assure you from my side is that you will be allotted a therapist very quickly. That is something I can personally oversee. But the person kept calling, did not stop, and then I had to be a little more firm. And after that call, I was feeling so guilty, because that is also something that comes as a therapist कि हम बता रहे हैं कि this is the protocol, this is the regulation, and I understand कि सामने वाले को अभी चाहिए, but as a therapist वो boundary मुझे भी maintain करनी पड़ती है.
Again, I think if Shivani would also agree with it, एक legal तो है ही जो missing है, एक ethical code of conduct between client and therapist भी बहुत unsaid है, समझ नहीं आता है. उसके अलावा कोई बता भी नहीं रहा है, कोई बात नहीं हो रही है. अरे यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल पे भी अब बताओ, मैं DU से बैचलर्स करी हूँ, तो कहाँ मेरे को याद ही नहीं है.
और हम वही
पेपर दिया है मैंने एथिक्स का पेपर दिया है.
बिकॉज ये जो आप एग्जैक्ट सिचुएशन डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो, that is something that's actually played out and taught to us, and I feel I've done part of my schooling in India, like part of my like bachelor's in India, I've done a part of it in the UK, and I've done a part of it in Canada. So I'm able to very clearly compare how and what and where, and all of them have their strengths, absolutely. All of them have their weaknesses, but in terms of that structure, as a therapist, if you already leave university knowing how to deal with this situation, it wouldn't take you like 5 years of trial and error. It wouldn't take you
I
sleepless
absolutely
nights
agree.
of people calling you, because you know exactly what to do, where to go, what to do, right?
In
Like, so
all
it's
situations.
all situations.
For us, I think हमें वो APA का एक
हाँ, वही,
document
that
पकड़ा
is
दिया
what I'm
जाता है,
saying.
वो download कर लो.
वही हम
हमने
पढ़ते आ
पेपर
रहे
दिए
हैं.
उसके, वही मैं कह रही हूँ, but still
And with every like different papers, there's always a section of ethics. I do agree, but then
हाँ.
again, repeatedly we are
Debriefing,
studying
confidentiality,
Yeah.
the beneficence.
हाँ.
Yeah, I
it's just
mean,
another paper.
it's
Like,
just-
I
they're
just
just
what
5
Shivani is
points
actually
to us, nothing else. They're just pointers to us.
yeah.
Nobody taught us like how will this play out in a therapy room.
therapy room.
We do not know.
I mean, masters में we still had certain
Yeah.
role plays in one class कि
Yes.
okay ये situation है तो क्या करना है, ऐसी situation है तो क्या करना है. But again, one class in a 1 week, I don't think that is also enough, because especially in a country like India, as you said, because there's so much dysregulation that anyone and everyone is becoming a therapist. I see influencers giving advice, and I think पिछले season में भी हमने काफी इसके बारे में बात की थी. But anyway, like moving on, I also wanted to know this thing कि जैसे कोई क्लाइंट आया आप लोगों के पास, आप लोगों ने थेरेपी दी, उसके बाद how many times it happens, and very honestly, like realistic picture of clients from India, कितने लोग turn up करते हैं actual में, मतलब after registering or after coming, what is like how many people actually
Like
go through that
discovery
step?
call के बाद,
Like,
how much
if
time does
you
it
would ask me, it depends practitioner to practitioner. It depends how they've come. तो अगर word of mouth से
नहीं,
आया
depends
है,
वाला आंसर नहीं, हम realistic
for me 90% conversion rate है.
okay
तो 90% of them convert,
okay
right? And हमेशा ही रहा है again, क्योंकि again कि कहाँ से आ रहे हो, अगर आपका सोर्स ही बड़ा वो है कि एक लिस्ट में आपका नाम पड़ा था, तो देन उनके लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट है टू ट्रस्ट मी, मैं कौन हूँ क्या हूँ, देन दे विल नीड टू गो. बट अगर वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से आ रहा है, सो वो डिपेंड्स, मेरा उससे आ रहा था कि सोर्स ऑफ रेफरल क्या है, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपकी थ्रू क्या वो आ रहे हैं. बट कन्वर्जन रेट है, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ अब है, क्योंकि इन कंपैरिजन टू like if I look at the past decade, it's become more. Thankfully, people are pursuing and understanding and really wanting to take help, and I think I can really take pride in the fact that I'm a part of this country where I can see this revolution now come.
Yeah, it's very big.
It is a revolution now which is like going to take a part, because I'm so happy that all age groups, all sects are now becoming very aware and serious about it, and they've really started coming in.
I think like, sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead.
For sure, like it is, we are in, at least in our practice, the first session is dedicated a lot to figuring out this fit, and also getting those things out of the way to create the backbone of the rest of the therapy. In terms of, we do a contract with every client. We tell them these are your responsibilities. This is your ethical responsibility. This is my ethical responsibility. This is what I'm going to do if this comes up, like that kind of stuff. So I think the client feels a little bit safer in that. They do it, they'll go ahead. But goal dependent hai. But a lot of people in ours, also money factor. What we do is to create our own structure, we keep a card on file. If somebody has booked and they don't cancel within 48 hours, again, as any in any service-based business,
of course,
your spot is reserved by the therapist. That doesn't get given to other people who might be more in need. And if you can't be playing around with that, right?
Yeah.
So, genuine reasons, emergencies, all of that happens. But I think because we have started putting cards on file, we have a full management system.
But my purpose was to ask the question because we at TDP also have a team of psychologists, therapists, clients come. So हमने एक चीज, एक pattern जो हम लोगों ने notice किया very honestly also कि if you know your therapist, like if the discovery call is directly with the therapist, there is more chance of a client showing up and continuing.
100%.
But अगर वो ऐसे third party के through, and like people know TDP, but people अगर coming उस तरीके से, they are going through like a process कि अच्छा ये है, and they're talking to someone who's not their therapist, and then I think it becomes like a bit of a longer chain. But at the same time, in organizations, this is the system. Your therapist is not directly provided to you immediately in a lot of situations. I'm not saying in every.
But then in your practice, Shivani, does the therapist directly speak with the client?
Yeah.
Or so I think that's why
in ours, what we've done is we also every practitioner has their profile and a little bit about backstory, a little bit about their specific training and all of that. So we have people specifically coming in requesting particular therapist
Right.
क्योंकि you know and then हम लोग उनको ऑफर करते हैं कि आप एक बार में, and I encourage it, आप एक बार में सिर्फ एक के साथ मत बुक करो, आप अपनी डिस्कवरी कॉल 3-4 लोग के साथ बुक करो, बिकॉज
Hmm.
इट थेरेपी इज अबाउट योर रिलेशनशिप टू,
Absolutely.
सो दैट वो जब कॉल करें चाहे सेम क्वेश्चंस पूछे सबसे, फिर आप देखो कि आपको किसके साथ कौन सा इंसान लग रहा है कि यू नो दिस पर्सन विल बी एबल टू create that space for me, फिर आप उसके साथ जाओ, and then if you don't feel like you know this is where it's going to work, then we'll give you all the other options as well.
So, I have a question for both of you. So, what would you recommend to somebody who is having anxiety attacks or like suffering from anxiety? So, what is that one thing that you will say?
Okay, I think like I made a video on this, and that was the first one that actually went viral.
Okay.
Was how to deal with a panic attack, and you know, like right now, do it with me, like that kind of a video.
Oh, that was the
So-
video I saw you on first.
Yeah,
so
probably.
yes, because you sat down अपने bed के आगे and you
Yeah,
said
yeah.
we'll do it together. I saw it. Yes,
So it was
that's
that.
how I discovered you.
And I
Yes.
did not know that many people needed panic
But
attacks. I think
I didn't even
that-
read it, and I've
that's
seen it
very
like pura.
important.
like there were two, both of them, and I'm doing the exact same thing, wearing the exact same outfit, sitting in front of that exact same bed. I shot it in you know one go, and I just divided it up. But one was how to deal with panic attacks, and the other one was how to give yourself a self hug.
That also I've seen.
Yeah. Okay. I'm so
Okay,
happy.
I think
it's
you got a
reaching
fan.
people.
I think this panic attack, I mean, I saw someone in metro while I was traveling getting a panic attack, and people did not know how
what
to help.
do.
Yeah,
So-
absolutely. I think number one is like right now itself, like you know, everyone watching this needs to know what is mental health first aid. School में सिखाते हैं ना physical health का क्या first aid होता है, cut होता है तो put it under cold water and this and that. So mental health के लिए if somebody is having a panic attack around you, what is first aid? How do you recognize the signs? Because I'm telling you, I have told so many older people that, hey, maybe you're having a panic attack, and they've replied to me saying, ये सब नहीं होता मुझे."
I swear.
Rather
ये
I
exist
swear. I've seen
Yeah.
it.
So I feel like I'm above this. Or,
The first thing is also to identify the panic
exactly.
attack.
नहीं
कि
समझ
ये
आता
panic
है।
attack है.
Yeah, this
पहले
is
ये
me
समझो.
overthinking or like.
Yeah.
I love how Shivana said I'm above this. नीची
Yeah.
नीची को
नहीं,
उतनी
मेरे को ये सब
चीज
नहीं
है
होता है।
panic attack होना.
हाँ, तो exactly, and then.
So what are the
people would
signs? Like
rather-
अगर if someone who does not know seeing this for the first time, क्या signs है basic जो you can identify and see कि अच्छा this is panic attack.
And I mean, I'm sure you can add to this one because you do so much NLP and body work. But first is definitely shortness of breath. Now, it's natural for somebody to think, पहली बार मेरे को shortness of breath हो रही है, maybe something's wrong with my heart, maybe something's going on with my environment. Something, obviously, पहले दिमाग में जाता है कि something physical. So not saying कुछ physical नहीं हो सकता है. Of course it can be. And a lot of people end up going to emergency room or they go call up like their heart doctor because, you know, it's they think that's what's happening. But अगर आपको shortness of breath हो रहा है, and in that moment suddenly you have this surge of emotions, like overwhelmed, like you know, अगर हम normal emotional wave इतना देखेंगे, if you go like that, okay, you can't see anything, you can't do anything, you are just having shortness of breath. A lot of people get shivers, a lot of people
Uncontrollable crying.
uncontrollable
That can also
crying.
very much look like a panic attack because कभी-कभी जैसे when I was having it, I didn't have shortness of breath. I would uncontrollably shiver and cry
So some
and
tips
not
है-
being able to stop because I know मुझे आता है रुकना. ये normal crying नहीं है, मुझसे नहीं रुका जा रहा है.
So some symptoms can be different or
100%
for different
person to
people.
person, yes.
And like you know, and obviously when someone tells you calm down, you can't calm down, right? So अगर
Don't
आपको-
have panic attack. Be positive.
It is.
That-
It triggers it more.
Don't be sad.
It
Yeah.
triggers it
सुबह
much
जल्दी
more.
उठा करो.
Absolutely.
Phone मत चलाया करो.
रो मत सांस लो. अरे सांस ही तो नहीं आ रही है. मतलब अच्छा ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था.
And like कई लोगों को जैसे उनकी स्किन पे बहुत ज्यादा टिंगलिंग भी होती है और यू फील वेरी लाइक इकी, लाइक यू नो ह्यूमिड टाइप का लगता है. सो वैसा भी हो सकता है, बट मेन थिंग कॉमन आई नोटिस इज ओवरवेल्म एंड सबका ओवरवेल्म अलग अलग होता है. अगर आप उस टाइम पे एकदम जमीन पे बैठ जाओ बिकॉज दैट्स ग्राउंडिंग, दैट्स नॉट मूविंग एट ऑल, अदर पीपल को होल्ड करोगे या अदर थिंग्स कैन मूव. आप जैसे ही नीचे बैठोगे अपने बॉडी को एकदम लाइक किसी भी स्टेबल चीज के ऊपर रखोगे, naturally आपका body will start coming down. It will start coming down. And so top 2 things I tell people. One is if they have मतलब it's इस level का anxiety हो रहा है, and maybe आप में भी से DBT का कुछ tips and all you must be knowing. It can also be EMDR related also. But एक tip है which is and उसके लिए मैंने कल ही video बनाया actually. If you're someone who gets it, ठीक है कि ये मेरे साथ होता है and इस phase में हो रहा है, आप एक cold pack, ice pack लो, put it in your freezer. As soon as you're getting this, the fastest way to give a check to your body, it's called tipping the temperature. आप ice pack अपने हाथ में पकड़ो, अगर आपके पास bowl है, उसके अंदर ice water डाल दो, whatever. You need
But
something
एक
cold.
question है, very genuine question. किसी के पास ice ना हो या किसी के पास वहां से फ्रिज तक जाने की भी एनर्जी ना हो, because very मतलब reason being is कि when I had some sort of panic attack or anxiety attack in future, my therapist told me to, you know, touch sand and move your hands with the sand.
I remember Chetna called me after the session.
मैं मिट्टी
कहाँ से लाऊं ये sand? ये क्या बात थी?
That's really funny. Yeah, no,
so
absolutely.
as a client, I would feel कि यार अब
फिर मैं
मतलब
मिट्टी
ये
कहाँ से
देखो कि
लाऊं?
मेरे पास बर्फ है कि नहीं है.
हाँ, नहीं, that
But that is what she said, na,
someone
कि
habitual.
if it is for somebody who knows that, they usually have it.
Usually,
so they can
then you can
keep
pick it up.
But I like the sit on
And
the
then-
floor because
Yeah.
the ground is stable
Yeah.
while
you
you're
have
not.
the ground
So,
available to you anywhere.
anywhere.
Yeah, you do
Metro
your
की ज़मीन
ground.
कहीं भी.
Yeah, and anyway, first thing is you bring yourself to grounding. That's when the video also I'm sitting with like the bed and I sit down. And then you do simplest 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, which is 5 senses जो हमारे हैं, वो इतनी ज़्यादा information ले रहे हैं in that moment कि हम लोग को अपने senses को present में लाना है. हमारे brain के अंदर हमारी body को ऐसा लगता है कि जो threatening situations हो रही हैं, हम लोग को उसको ये रिमाइंड करना होता है कि where we are right now. So 5 senses and you can count it on your fingers if you want, but all you're doing is going 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I remember mismatch था ना जिसमें when Prajakta Kohli
Yes,
she was having a
yes,
panic attack. The
yes.
guy did not know how to help her. He immediately just Googled.
Yes.
And then he helped her with this activity, 5 things you see, 4 things
Yes,
you hear.
yes.
It was such a beautiful representation because यार उसको भी नहीं पता था क्या
Yes.
Because
And
most
yes,
people do not know.
known.
Right.
They have no clue.
Exactly, it's the same as first aid, right? What do you do in case of a snake bite? अब किसी को नहीं होता है रोज
True, पर हमें ये पता है कि यहाँ कट जाए तो हल्दी लगानी है, लेकिन यहाँ कुछ हो तो हमें नहीं पता है, which is
सिखाया गया.
like a
सिखाया है.
वो हमें
हाँ,
सिखाया गया.
यही. So coming
हाथ
back
जल
to
जाए तो आइस लगानी है.
हाँ,
But
nobody
ice
told
works in both now that I know.
so coming back to one thing which you can do immediately is understand कि जब ये भी क्या है, ये 5 4 3 2 1 क्या है, या लोग स्क्वायर ब्रीदिंग भी करते हैं, मैंने देखा है बहुत है. What works for me is कुछ मत करो, कुछ भी मत करो, count backwards. That's it. It is the easiest thing you can do anytime, anywhere, in any state of mind, and it will bring your brain waves down.
So when I get anxious now, so this is something I read also later. So what I do is, because I'm somebody who's always in control of whatever I'm doing, my brain starts another self-talk to myself, which is very harmful. That Tara,
Been there.
Tara,
ये भी किया है हमने.
you need to be okay. Tara,
Oh,
be here.
that
You
I
cannot
have
lose control.
Tara, back. You'll be fine. I am trying to do this to myself. So what this is something I was reading recently in a paper. It was on psychotherapy only, and it said that this is the worst thing you can do. You should never have a self-talk.
Self-talk.
You should never talk to yourself.
Yeah, and it's mostly too because you know when you are overwhelmed, हमारे ब्रेन को लगता है कि हमें ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी है तब हम काम डाउन करें
कि
है ना,
ये
तो-
खत्म होगा तो हम वापस नॉर्मल
और
पे आ
like दूसरे
जाएंगे.
लोगों के सामने है तो you know we can the worst thing is thinking that you can actually control it because you can't.
You
Your
can't.
body is in that state where the reason why this is happening is because it's a wave and it needs to pass.
Yes.
अब आप waves और suppress नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि आपके
Yes.
दिमाग that we think that cognitive part of our brain is everything because again for some reason people think logic is better or whatever, but again I mean I used to also think that way before I got into this field, but
So
I
did
also
I.
think, you know, doing this, we also put ourselves at pedestal, like as a client, but as a therapist also, if like I talk about it, कि हम as therapist अपने आप को pedestal पे कितनी बार unknowingly and unintentionally रख लेते हैं. That,
yeah.
Oh.
again, that feeling guilty.
And then all of this also circles back to the fact that this cannot happen to you.
हाँ.
You are there to help others.
Others.
How
If-
can this happen to you?
If this is happening to you, how
how
are you going to
will
help
I
others?
take care of
Which
others?
triggers another panic attack.
Exactly.
Because been there, done that, exactly. So 2017, which I keep referring to, I used to see the client, is to run in the bathroom because I was here कि मेरे को पता है मेरे को episode आ रहा है. I'm running in the bathroom, having an episode, coming back, seeing another client.
That's not
With-
okay at
And
all.
unethical.
Yeah.
Of like now that I think of it, that putting yourself on pedestal, I think bringing myself down from the pedestal has been the best thing I've done to myself as a person and professional. I can breathe.
But okay, I love this part. I think let's move into the final segment,
Yeah.
which
Okay.
is a fun game that we are going to play with both of you.
Okay.
It
a
is
rapid fire
Our
round.
favorite, you know, हमें कुछ समझ नहीं आता. We are like
I'll
rapid fire
just
करते हैं. We'll just
get more comfortably
Okay.
for the rapid fire.
So I'll tell you how it's gonna go.
Okay. Yes.
I will ask a question
Yeah.
and I will decide who's gonna answer. Similarly,
Oh,
Tara.
okay.
So
Okay.
it might also happen that if I'm asking you the question, Tara also asks you the question. So it can be back to back as well. It can be one by one as well.
So you have to be ready.
And cannot take time. It's rapid fire.
It's rapid fire.
Pehle आप people
I'm
what
just-
are we getting?
I'm just very scared. I know what all I'm
Shivani
capable
has
of
a question.
Yes, Shivani.
Yeah, but what are we getting?
That's a
What are we
surprise.
winning? Okay.
I think I don't know what they're going to ask. I hope you're not being called out after this is out. I'm very scared suddenly.
Fun questions.
Yeah, they're very
Yeah.
fun, light questions.
Okay. Ananta, what's your go-to self-care ritual?
Watching very nice old Bollywood movies because I learn a lot about relationships and the choti movies hain, like Gumrah is
Okay.
such a nice
Rapid
movie all
fire,
about.
rapid fire.
Right, so that
Rapid fire.
So, watching movies
I think
and
mine
every day
are-
meditating
Okay.
every day.
Chalo, one word.
So
alone.
meditating every day. Every day I meditate.
Okay.
Okay. Shivani, what is the quirkiest thing in your therapy room?
In my therapy room. Oh, okay. It's like this little clock thingy that has a light, and so and the light like changes. And the thing is, okay, it's not quirky, but it's quirky for me because I actually color code it based on my clients. I don't know, in my brain, I have like, you know, I don't know why. I feel like I just assign colors to people. So like, say if a client's coming in, I like press it and it'll be orange or it'll be purple. and I'll be
Shivani
like,
is the quirky thing in her office.
Yeah,
Actually,
that's true.
the clock is Shivani is the quirky thing in her office.
Okay. What movie or show that gets therapy right to you?
There is with what's the one in which there's Nicole Kidman and her husband is like this secretly a murderer. Oh no, sorry. Big Little Lies. In that,
Okay.
the therapist that tells her to get like to safety procedures because she's being abused and like her kid is there and all of that.
I've not watched it, but
Okay,
I'm
Today,
gonna
yes,
ask
I was
answer.
just like, अरे बड़ी अंग्रेजी ही बता दी है तो मेरे मन में तो डियर जिंदगी आ रहा था.
Dear Zindagi, I
Only-
don't think
no.
it's-
Yeah, Dear Zindagi
No,
में
but
कुछ
So now you see,
हाँ.
only thing made in
हाँ.
India is this,
Just
and other
that.
than that, I,
I
have
think
to
never
go-
have I ever also
Yeah,
shows.
never have I ever was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So, alternative question. What movie gets therapy wrong to you?
Family Man.
मुझे भी कोट आता है कभी कभी जीतने के लिए हारना पड़ता है हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं डर के आगे जीत है जो जीता वही सिकंदर इसके
फैमिली मैन देखा वो
yeah, yeah.
ऐसे
That
कोई बात
particular
कर जाए
scene.
एक सेकंड मैं ये बता दूं कोई बात कर जाए मेरे से ऐसे क्लाइंट तुम देखो मैं तो मतलब आई वुड जस्ट लाइक आई वुड टेल देम दैट लिसन दिस इज नॉट ओके आई माइट बी अ थेरेपिस्ट यू कैन नॉट टॉक टू मी लाइक दैट
But I
एंड
think उसमें
आल्सो
तो थेरेपिस्ट ने भी पता नहीं क्या बोला
तो
था.
वो भी कि एक तो ऐसे कोई भी नहीं करता और वैसे भी कोई नहीं करता फैमिली मैन इफ यू सीन यू
Yeah.
शुड दिस वन मनोज बाजपेयी कुछ नहीं देखा वही जाके देखा है
I'll bring
मैंने
this up. Nobody is talking about it. So, Animal, I know it's a horrible, shitty movie.
I
But,
know, all
but
of my
उसमें
वो एक थेरेपिस्ट को बुलाते
Go for it.
Okay. How often were you intimate with your wife?
the first question she asked is about the sexual history.
in front of so many
many people.
how does
The
she even
first
agree
question.
like the
I've not
really
watched it. So
I
I don't
haven't
know.
watched
no
it.
I'll tell you so
It's
animal
good.
mein-
It's good, guys, that you
no
have
so
not seen
animal
the
mein
movie.
he's
I was like,
she
you
say-
were saying
no
it's
so
good.
the scenario is that this character is telling this therapist कि आप सबके सामने पूछ लो सब अपने ही है वो मान जाती है मैं तो मानू ही ना कि पहली बात तो ये भरी सभा में मैं तो ना पूछूं बैठकर दूसरा उसके बाद काफी ही ज्यादा he also gives quirky answers but then she also asks the first question is
And she keeps
About-
probing into it.
I think I know.
how
Abhi
many
bhi when
times
I'm
do you
taking-
have sex in a week like what is how
Abhi bhi when I'm taking these cases to in hospital and all, I ask the parents to like move out if it's a child and then ask it. Like there have been so many times in my personal therapy practice as well, ki when I'm talking and everything, people don't open up in front of other people. They open up only when there's privacy, there's confidentiality, which is maintained. But I think rapid fire पे वापस आते
Okay,
हैं, भटक जाते
your
हैं।
question.
मेरे को?
नहीं मतलब
अच्छा, I was like your
no,
question.
like you have to ask.
Okay,
your
if
turn.
you could be any fictional character's therapist, who would it be?
Ooh. Well, Ranbir Kapoor, an animal, because I work with complex childhood trauma. So
Oh,
that's gonna
love
be-
it.
That's,
Love it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
If not a therapist, what would you be to you?
Stand-up comic.
I think you'll give justice to that.
100%. मैं ready हूँ.
आप script बना लो.
Ready
मैं
है?
बोल रही हूँ.
Your eyes meet with the chore and there's an instant connect. Because remember, you like bad boys.
It's out soon.
Launch it. There's no therapist, stand-up comedian.
Yeah.
I will.
I think we
I'm
have
in.
so much material.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is your favorite therapeutic technique?
Mine, narrative therapy.
Okay.
Like just in general.
What is that one technique you would like to?
The one question I would say is, whose voice is that? And usually it's not the person's voice.
For a second, my clinical brain went into another person. Auditory hallucination.
No. But just
We are
like
too much
how
into
you talk to
psychiatry
your-
right
That's
now.
also
Yeah.
part of NLP, you know.
Yeah.
So there's a
It's
set
all
where we also go into whose
interrelated.
voice is that.
Yeah, it's all
Yeah.
interrelated, but
That's
usually it's
great.
mama, dad.
Okay.
Okay.
Last question. One question that clients always ask you to you.
Oh,
I think both of you can answer.
हाँ,
One client.
हम भी बोल सकते हैं. हमने रूल चेंज कर दिए.
personal or professional? Like one personal question they ask me is,
question
what's your skincare routine? People have asked me on my reel. I'm like, content देखा तुमने
Well,
मैंने क्या
I would
डाला?
ask you the same.
Yeah, you,
It's love.
What about you?
it's love.
Okay.
I think people, like I've heard, do you think that I will be okay? A lot.
I think for us, usually because abhi it's not been like 10 years of experience or 7-8 years of experience. So sometimes मुझसे तो लोगों ने पूछा कि आप लोग के थेरेपी आप
हाँ
ये
Oh,
उस
that's
एज में
very
हो चुका है.
interesting.
ये तो
Very
बहुत सुना है
interesting.
मैंने.
आप सेशन ले रहे हो
और मैं बता देती हूँ.
और फिर they'll ask all about my qualifications and I'll go one by one because है ऐसा तो नहीं है कि ऐसे ही
बहुत ही
आ गए.
अनहिंज्ड एक और चीज है जो क्लाइंट पूछ लेते हैं, आप डिस्काउंट देते हो? So this is also a question that
I
a
made
lot
a
of
reel on this कि डिस्काउंट कृपया करके ना मांगे.
आप
और
discount
पूरा
देते हो?
हिंदी में मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है पूरा अच्छे से.
so ये भी आप डिस्काउंट देते हो?
But great. I think great answers and a wonderful podcast. And we had such beautiful conversations. But now I think it's hamper time.
Hamper time.
And good
Wait,
thing is
but
everyone
we get to ask you both rapid fire questions too. What
Yes,
okay,
why- I would
we
ask,
did not
yes.
expect this.
Yes. One thing that you would want to call out the system on would be like the whole becoming a therapist system.
Not having a proper regulation for counseling psychologists.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
See, it's so much in your favor.
For everyone's
everyone's
favor.
Yeah.
What is one thing that changed about you pre and post becoming a therapist?
I was, I think,
Rapid fire.
okay. I was judgmental before.
Okay.
Not एक perception बन जाता था.
Ha.
Now I think in my personal life also I give a freeway to a lot of people, which was not true before.
Oh, अच्छा.
that I like.
Yeah.
That was a great addition, guys.
Yeah,
we were on.
Yeah, we were on
Very-
the but great job. Thank you so much for coming. And I think they did a very wonderful job. So we have some hampers for them.
Yeah,
that is
everyone gets
amazing.
some.
So we'll
We
just give
need
you
to like get up, no, na?
No,
I
no,
think
no.
we can-
Achha.
It's just for you.
Yeah.
I'll just go back to raw, unhinged, and thank
This
you.
is amazing. I'm just gonna open. Oh my god.
No, you've not seen. I just went.
Okay, unboxing. unboxing.
Oh, bro, there's a candle.
We did not.
I have one too. What is this?
Oh, I've mountains in. Oh, you have
It
no.
feels like a.
I drink. I love water.
Water bottles.
Yeah, see.
Water bottles.
I know. You have no.
I am not overreacting.
I'm totally a cat person.
Okay,
But my Punjabi household wouldn't allow one. But I am totally like a cat
I'm not
person.
a cat person.
Oh, I
So much
love.
for coming.
Thank
I think
you.
we'll end the podcast. Guys, sit.
Achha,
we have
we are just keeping the. I
okay,
just
okay.
want to make sure, like,
I was like,
Also
oh,
going to use the
मुझे लगा कि
being a very no. We're just going to make this dramatic exit after this.
हाँ, ठीक है. So I think no need to end the podcast because our guests are happy. We are happy. Thank you so much for watching Desi Dialogue Season 2
And keep following us on Spotify, YouTube,
and Instagram, everywhere, guys. And
Like,
keep
share,
following-
subscribe.
Keep following these two also.
Like, share,
Yeah.
subscribe.
Okay,
Bye.
Shivani Agarwal, I'm a psychotherapist.
Pause.
और घंटी काफी बड़ी है तुम्हारी। हाँ, it's not ended only for a while.